Is it worth anything? Today, we're talking about Longaberger baskets and also the pottery. So, Longaberger was started in Dresden, Ohio in 1973. They started doing home parties during the 1980s, and their banner year, their highest year, was 2000. And then they went bankrupt in 2018. So as collectibles go, Longaberger baskets aren't a bad collectible. I mean, if you bought them for investment, it's like everything else. You're not going to get the money out of it that you paid for it. But they are very well constructed baskets, and they had, of course, very specific purposes for different baskets. They're very nice to use. They hold up very well. They're made in the USA, which is really awesome. A recent look onto eBay found that they were going anywhere from 99 cents, ouch, to $51. So some of them still sell fairly decently. It depends on what you have. The pottery, though, does really, really well on resale. It's, again, really well made. Some of it was made in the US, some of it was made in China. But it has a very distinctive kind of basket weave look to it, and it's very well made. So as collectibles go, if you bought them for investments, yeah, not a great idea. But if you bought them to use them, this is just really awesome stuff. It's well made. It's very useful and has its purposes. So is it worth anything? Not what you paid, but yes, you can resell it and you can always use it. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.